Welcome to this parent-child excursion on overcoming anxiety. Parallel exposure therapy. This is a social systems approach to helping children and parents and others overcome anxiety. The difference between human beings and other animals is our capacity to reason. As Rollo May writes in his book, The Courage to Create, human freedom involves our capacity to pause between the stimulus and response, and in that pause to choose the one response toward which we wish to throw our weight. Although we might have a genetic predisposition to anxiety, our amygdala can fire and make us do the fight, flight, or freeze reactions. Even though we might have been conditioned to fear certain stimuli in our environment, we're not prisoners to our biology. Our biology is not destiny. We can stop and think. Aristotle was one of our pioneering psychologists, and he talked about the golden mean, that middle ground between too much impulsivity and too little, too much inhibition and too little. And he talked about that golden mean regarding self-control. You can think of ADHD as a lack of inhibition, not being able to pause enough. You can think of anxiety as too much inhibition, pausing too long. So we want to have that middle ground where we're not living too much in the past and the future, not too much in the present, but balancing out our inhibitory systems so that we're pausing just right. In ADHD, we want to pause more. In anxiety, we want to pause less and act. So we're going to talk about how to help children and ourselves find that golden mean in our everyday lives.